Next, we'll see the purchasing process, the purchase orders, how it is handled in the application. So to view the purchase order, you should select buyer editor as the role. So previously we did all in seller editor, now it will be in buyer editor. So you'll be able to see this panel. If it is hidden, you don't see that it's like this. You can click this to open up this panel and then change it to buyer editor. Once you have selected buyer editor, on the left side, you will see the menu as purchase orders. So the purchase orders, it will show you what are the purchase orders. The purchase orders are generally system generated. So whenever there is a sales order and system finds that the quantity is not adequate, it will automatically create a purchase order. You can manually create purchase orders using upload also. So if you got suppliers who are working on the system, they can log in, view the purchase order, and they can acknowledge it also, similar to what you did for your customers. So the purchase orders are in the system and it is automatically generated. So normally an email copy of this purchase order will be automatically sent to the supplier. Also you can print a copy of the purchase order if you want to. This thing, you can just print a copy of the purchase order and send it to the supplier. And I'll just show the copy of the purchase order. So this is generated from the system, and of course you can change the logo. This logo size and all can be changed. You can put your company logo in that. And so this is the purchase order that sent to the supplier. So it is sent to Drive Medical Deerfield. So this purchase order has been sent to the supplier. So when supplier sends a material, you can receive the purchase order. You can receive the purchase order so that it can complete the purchase order. It will move into received status. And similarly, you got invoices, shipment. Similar to your outbound, it can be inbound also. So this is shipments. In case if the supplier is creating advance shipment notification, you can see that in the portal, and also the invoices. You can view supplier invoices and payment, update the payment status so that supplier can see the payment on that. And similarly for the master data, you've got buy items instead of sold items, because the price could be different. You can maintain the price at which you are buying for the items in the buy items master. And inventory also, you'll be able to maintain the inventory, which is the same as what we saw in the sales process. So in the purchase process, we saw that system generates the purchase order automatically. You can receive the purchase order, you can view and print it.